Hello, my name is Brett Spence, and this is my 1,000 point Space Marine army. I decided to make this video due to my next video being delayed and it being dark for Christmas, so here's something a bit more brighter.
This army is for Warhammer 40k 10th edition. The rules I'm about to say might change in future editions, or points value change later as of the time of recording.
We'll start with the HQs. My Warlord is a chaplain in Terminator armor who is attached to the Terminator squad. His Litany of Hate, which gives +1 wounds, makes it very useful in close quarters combat. Then we have my chaplain who is attached to my Assault Intercessors. He also has a Litany of Hate. Finally, we have my Tekka Marine, whose Blessings of the Omnissiah can heal my Land Raider up to D3 wounds and also give on the hit roll. Now we move on to the elites. We'll start off with my Terminators, who are equipped with Power Fists, Storm Bolters, and a Cyclone Missile Launcher. Next, we have my Sturmguard veterans, who are equipped with bolt rifles, a heavy bolter, and a power fist for the sergeant. On to the battle line units, my intercessors, who are equipped with bolt rifles, an assault grenade launcher, and a hand flamer and thunder hammer for the sergeant. Next, we have my assault intercessors who are painted differently from my immortal Space Marines, which is the chapter I painted them as, which is my own homebrew. These are from another homebrew called the Wyvern Warriors. They are equipped with chainswords, heavy bolt pistols, with the sergeant having a plasma pistol and a thunder hammer. Finally, we have my Land Raider, who is named Minotaur. His only goal in life is to transport my Terminators, getting them close to the enemy and blasting anything that is nasty or softening up enemy units. That brings us to the end of the video. As you can see, my army has a bit of fire maneuver to it, with my Land Raider, Sturmguard veterans, and intercessors providing fire support while the Terminators and assault intercessors get up close and personal with the enemy. If you like this video, like and subscribe. See you next time.